Morning world, just going to do a demonstration of a fire and a security alarm for a customer. They've just moved into the unit just to see if the system's any good, whether we can still use it, whether there's any work they need to do to it. Give them a few recommendations that we would do to upgrade the system, and see how things are working for them. So we'll be driving down there in the next few minutes, and hopefully that we'll find what we find, if they need a completely new system, but we don't know till we get there. Morning on a drizzly summer's day. This is a lovely C-TEC panel. It's been rebranded with Channel on it, who just rebadged it. The panel's made in Wigan, bit of useless information. To operate the system, it's quite a simple system. It has a red key, which you slot in the key there, and you turn the key horizontal and the yellow access light comes on. Now these buttons operate. So if I press sound alarms, it's going to get a bit noisy. All hell lets loose and the alarm sets. And then if you press the green button, that resets it. If you're doing a weekly test on a system, you should do a call point, and this is the older style key for a KRC call point, this unit here. Just slot it in there, push up hard, and the glass drops. When the alarm was blaring, I need to fit the key to turn to horizontal to get the access light in, so the silence button will operate. That button now, but it's also resound, so if I press it now, it will set the alarms off again. And then obviously once you've reset the call, once the call point is reset, you can then press the green button to reset it. If you get any internal faults coming up, the easiest internal fault to simulate is a power fault. Right, if I just pull the fuse, take the fuse out, which will simulate a power cut. So now the mains power's gone off. In a few seconds, this panel will start to flash, which it has done now. If you press the white button at the top, it will silence the bleeping, so you don't have to live with the bleeping. If you get any fault condition, a zone fault or anything else, you can turn the key and press the white button, which will stop the bleeping. Obviously, if you've got a zone fault, you then need to ring me to fix the fault, and then I'll come and fix the fault. With the power cut, obviously you know if the power's off, and then when the power comes back on, the fault will automatically clear. If the power fault comes up when there isn't a power cut, then you might have a problem with the batteries in the panel, and then you can give me a shout and I'll come and sort out the batteries for you. If you lose the key, there is a back door to the access light, because now when I've taken the key out, these buttons do not work. But there is a back door. If you enter 2143, that access light will come on, and then these buttons now start to work. I won't press the red button, which will start the sounders, because it will drive you batty. To exit that, all you have to do is press 2 and you'll exit the access light, which enables these buttons. And now these buttons if I press these buttons now, nothing will happen. And that's basically the C-TEC panel. And it's a pretty good panel, works well, and I quite like it. Well, I've been to look at the unit now. It's not been a bad system. It's quite a Veritas. There's a few little issues on the security alarm where we need to add extra bits and pieces on the but we'll do that at a later date. We've got it up and running for them, so they can now use it, and we've given them a demonstration of how the fire alarm works and what they need to do when it goes off and what not to do, and things seem to be quite good. We'll wait to hear from the customer if they want to go ahead with some of the recommendations I've made today. Okay, thanking you for watching my horrible video, and I hope I get a bit better at it.